In this video, we will learn how to assemble the 4-wheel car kit. First, we will remove the paper cover from the acrylic board. Now we install the motors on the bottom acrylic board. After installing the motors, we install the black rings in the motors. Then we install the battery holder. Now we install the upper acrylic board of the car. And finally, we install the 4 wheels on the motors of the bottom acrylic board. You may have some extra nuts remaining. Keep them, as you may need them later to install sensors or Arduino boards for building a smart car. Now that we have finished assembling the car, we are ready to install Arduino boards and sensors to it. You can use the car that we built in several projects. For example, you can build a remote-controlled car. Thank you for watching our video. For more educational videos, take a look at our website learn.voltaat.com and follow our YouTube channel.